Greetings, I'm Andy Johnson. I'm your learning guide for today for this workshop. Just want to give a little introduction and I'll keep it short because you're going to hear enough of me today. Just to say what you do is incredibly important. Of all the variables determining the quality of education and how much our children learn, the teacher is the most significant variable. So it makes sense that we continue to invest in this most significant of significant variables in terms of continued professional development. So I'm so glad to help with this today. 3 ideas to think about. First, it's always been a privilege to step into any classroom because parents are trusting you with what is most precious to them, their children. And we can honor this trust by helping each and every student in our classrooms to reach their full potential as readers and writers, yes, but also their full potential as social, emotional, and creative and intellectual beings who be living in this complex and increasingly global society. We're getting them ready, not for the next grade, but for life outside of school. And second, you're entrusting me today with your time and your attention. And I hope I can honor this trust by presenting strategies and ideas that you can use. And at the same time, keep you moving forward in your journey towards reaching your full potential as teachers. And third, you'll encounter a whole bunch of strategies today and in my book. Each is to be adopted and adapted to fit the specific learning needs of your students and your own teaching style. Adopt and adapt. There is no one-size-fits-all magic program. There are only magic teachers with teacher toolboxes full of research-based strategies. So finally, I applaud your work with struggling learners and specifically students who are struggling readers. We need our best and our most expert teachers working with this group. Thanks.